This video demonstrates how to generate recurring jobs using Site. First, go to Jobs and click Recurring Job. Set the recurring schedule. For this example, repeat the job every 3 months, with the due date set to the last day of the month. Ensure that the customer, site, and billing type are the same for all recurring jobs. Enter the job summary, then click Save. Next, go back to Jobs and select Generate Recurring Jobs. Filter by customer, then select the recurring job you want to generate. Click Generate Jobs. Ensure that the site is selected in the Group by field, then click Generate Only. The generated job ID will appear above the filter section, and all related recurring jobs will be grouped under the same job ID.